Hi guys, welcome to today's episode of Nibbling with Netta. Today we're going to be trying these kettle cooked Cajun spice. Let's see what they hitting on. Here go the bag. That's how they look. Let's give them a what? A shake, shake, shake. All right, let's open them up. That's how they look. They look like they got a lot of flavor on them. Let's see. All right, here we go. Okay, I got a little spice. Let me hit another one. Okay, I'm hitting the spice. I like them. I'm not going to say I'm going to run for some, but I'll walk in the store and grab another bag. Thank y'all for watching today's episode of Nibbling with Netta. If y'all have any suggestions of things I should try, leave it in the comments. Make sure you like, follow, and share.